In 1999, there was a total solar eclipse of the sun in the north of France, and I remember at that time how fantastic this was. And now to work on a project where we want to create the condition of a total solar eclipse, for me, it's really fantastic and resonates with this memory from a long time ago.
The sun itself, at its surface, it's about 6,000 degrees. It could be like lava, but the corona itself, it's millions of degrees, so it's 3 orders of magnitudes higher. We have something that is not dense but very hot, and this is what needs to be better understood.
The solar limb, or the edge of the sun, is the best accessible during total solar eclipses.
With Proba-3, we create an artificial solar eclipse in space, and this will be done about 50 times a year and for 6 hours every orbit. We can observe the region that is rather unexplored by the scientists, and there's a coronagraph. This instrument has been designed to look at all the fine-scale structures and also what we call coronal mass ejections, which are burst and explosion of plasma from the sun. And this is critical to fully understand why this corona is so hot, for instance, why we have solar winds that are accelerated that far, and this is really important for what we call the space weather.
What's interesting about this mission is, of course, the incredible technological leap. It's an incredibly exciting time for everyone.
For this mission, we had to advance and develop new technologies, new sensors, new algorithms, new onboard software.
First of all, we don't have one satellite, but we have 2 satellites. So we have the complexity of having them to fly information together.
Formation flying is the ability to fly several objects in a coordinated way. So you can think about a squadron of airplanes flying together during an air show, or a flock of migrating birds in a V-shape.
Proba-3 is a millimeter level accuracy mission. So if one satellite moves ever so slightly, the other one needs to move in the exact same way so that they maintain a rigid formation, so they are linked.
Proba is an acronym which means Project for Onboard Autonomy. But Proba also means in Latin, let's try.